DeepSeek AI is a powerful tool. It can analyze images and videos. Think of it like a detective for your data. It can find patterns and insights. This helps us understand the world better. DeepSeek AI can be used in many ways. Security cameras can use it to spot problems. Doctors can use it to diagnose diseases. Even self-driving cars use it to navigate. The possibilities are endless. This guide will teach you how to use DeepSeek AI. We will focus on a specific part: APIs. Don't worry, we'll explain everything simply. By the end, you'll be ready to explore the power of DeepSeek AI. An API is like a messenger. It allows different software to talk to each other. Imagine you're ordering food at a restaurant. You tell the waiter what you want. The waiter is like the API, taking your request to the kitchen. Python is a popular programming language. It's known for being beginner-friendly. We will use Python to interact with the DeepSeek AI API. Think of Python as the language you use to talk to the waiter. Don't worry if you're new to coding. We'll guide you through each step. Just like learning a new language, it takes practice, but once you get the hang of it, you can do amazing things. Before we start, we need the right tools. Think of it like preparing to cook a delicious meal. First, you need to install Python on your computer. You can download it from the official Python website. Next, we need a library called requests. Libraries are pre-written code that make our lives easier. The requests library helps us communicate with APIs. You can install it by typing pip install requests in your terminal. Finally, you'll need a DeepSeek AI API key. This key acts like a password, giving you access to the API. You can get your key from the DeepSeek AI website. Once you have it, keep it safe. Now comes the exciting part, making our first API call. First, we need to import the requests library into our Python code. We do this by writing import requests at the top of our file. Now let's write the code to send an image to the DeepSeek AI API. We'll use the requests.post or function for this. We'll send our API key along with the image data. The API will process the image and send back a response. This response might contain information about the objects detected in the image. Congratulations, you just made your first DeepSeek AI API call. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.